Here's how to add coupon code in Shopify. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, log in your Shopify store and click on Discount button, which is on the left side of the screen. After this, just click on Create Discount button. Next window will look like this. In this pop-up, you have to select discount type. So click on that one type of discount, which one you want to use. Next window will look like this. First, you have to select your method of product discount. So you can click on Discount Code or Automatic Discount. Next, you have to enter your discount code. Next, you can simply add the value of product that it may be percentage or fixed amount. Then next, you can select following options according to yours, which includes minimum purchase, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combination. Next, you have to set your discount starting date, and you can also set end of your discount. Then at the end, just click on Save button. So in this way, you can add coupon code in Shopify.